Hey everybody, Dr. Jason here to teach you how to use your Theragun to treat your neck. Whether you're applying heavy loads to exercises affecting the upper back while at the gym, or staring at your phone and computer all day, your neck can become stiff, sore, or carry tension. The Theragun is an amazing device to help you find relief, increase mobility, and get the most out of your body. So here's what you're gonna do. Step 1, pick your attachment. I like the dampener or super soft for the neck, but you can use whichever you like for this particular treatment. Remember, attachments allow you to personalize your usage for your own needs. If you have a Pro, you can adjust the arm angle to meet your need, but our ergonomic Theragun triangle design makes it easy to use almost anywhere on your body. Step 2, turn on your Theragun by holding the power button, then set your treatment speed. Remember to always turn it on before applying it to your body. Now, determine which grip will feel the most natural for you while treating your neck. I recommend the reverse grip because it alleviates the strain on your joints while reaching across your body and allows you to apply the device slowly and methodically. Step 3. Now for the fun part, using your Theragun. If you're using your Theragun to activate or warm up your neck, we recommend the following protocol. You'll apply the Theragun for 30 seconds total in 10-second increments, starting with the origin of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, then the insertion of your muscle, back and forth across the muscle fibers, and finally you'll want to go back and forth for 10 seconds along the muscle fibers from one end to the other. If you're using your Theragun to recover or relax the neck, we recommend using it all over your muscle, back and forth, side to side for a minimum of 2 minutes. This is going to relax these muscles where you carry a lot of your tension and stress. Doing this for recovery allows you to down-regulate your nervous system and promotes relaxation. You're going to love this one. Remember, we want your Theragun to feel like an extension of your hand, so explore all the speed, attachment, and grip combinations to find the one that's right for you.